TikTok just handed users the power to adjust or shut down the AI flood in their For You feeds, and the timing couldn't be juicier. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. TikTok is aiming to put control in users' hands as it unleashed a brand new setting that lets you decide exactly how much AI-generated content you want to see. Love the uncanny and polished world of AIGC? You can dial it all the way up. Sick of synthetic faces and algorithm-crafted skits? Turn it way down. For the first time, TikTok is letting you shape the future of your feed with precision. The new feature lives inside the app's Manage Topics tool, the same place you already tweet categories like dance, sports, or food and drinks. TikTok says the AI option works just like those existing controls. It adjusts what you see without wiping anything out entirely. The company says this isn't about banishing content, but turning your chaotic For You feed into something that feels more personal and more intentional. And TikTok didn't stop there. The platform has rolled out new advanced labeling tech to help users quickly identify AI-generated content. With other tech giants like Meta and OpenAI aggressively pushing AI-only feeds, TikTok's latest update feels both like a counterpunch and a signal that the company wants to stay ahead on transparency, control, and what counts as real online. To get this new feature, hop into Settings, tap Content Preferences, hit Manage Topics, and drag the slider to choose just how artificial you want your TikTok experience to be. Whether you're craving more AI magic or trying to escape it entirely, TikTok just made your feed your choice. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.
TikTok just dropped a feature that could change the way you share on the app forever. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. TikTok has rolled out shared collections, a new way for friends, families, and fandoms to collect and share their favorite TikTok finds all in one place. Think of it as your own mini hub for everything you love, from cookie inspo, holiday dinner plans, to DIY decor, and even your sneaky Secret Santa wishlist. If you and a friend both follow each other, you can build one together, and yes, you must be 16 or older to join the fun. TikTok says the feature is designed to make saving and organizing posts smoother than ever. Whether you're gathering tips from your top creators, planning a makeover, or learning a new skill, shared collections are built to keep your TikTok clean, and if you want to show off, you can even make your collection public as well. But that's not all. TikTok is ready to spread some festive cheer with greeting cards, a cute addition that lets you pick a themed card right inside your DM, scribble a message, and send it off with a sparkly animation. It's TikTok's way of making your chats feel a little more magical. TikTok's next big social twist, Shared Feed, will be there soon. You'll be able to generate a shared, personalized feed within DM, specifically made for both your tastes. Just like Insta's Blend, TikTok will merge your interests into one scrolling stream built just for the two of you. With shared collections live and more features on the way, TikTok is doubling down on making discovery a team sport, and your For You page might never feel the same again. Will this make watching TikToks more fun? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.
TikTok is changing the way creators connect with fans with its brand new feature, Bulletin Board. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Bulletin Board is designed to give creators and brands a lightning-fast way to share updates. It's a one-way communication tool, and it's already being compared to Instagram's broadcast channels. The idea is to keep fans in the loop without forcing creators to produce a full-blown video every time they have news, announcements, or exclusive content. With Bulletin Board, creators can post text, photos, or videos, making it a flexible way to drop updates straight to followers' inboxes. Fans can't reply with comments, but they can react with emojis, and that's perfect for keeping engagement quick and clean. TikTok says the feature is all about helping creators stay connected and build stronger communities while keeping content sharing fast and simple. But here's the twist. Not everyone will get access right away. Only creators who are 18 or older and have at least 50,000 followers can start posting to their bulletin boards. And of course, everything must follow TikTok's community guidelines. Safety features like muting, blocking, and reporting are built in, giving both creators and fans a safer space to interact. To use the new tool, creators can pop into their inbox, set up a board, give it a name, and decide whether it shows on their profile or not. Fans will simply tap the board's name under the creator's bio and instantly join and get every update straight to their inbox. TikTok's bulletin board is now more than a new feature. It's a way of giving creators faster and cleaner way to connect. Will this feature be a hit or a miss? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. What if you could star in your own movie, generated entirely by AI, and share it with the world instantly? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. OpenAI is making a reality with the launch of Sora 2, its next-generation audio and video generator, alongside a brand new social platform simply called Sora. While Sora 2 remains in invite-only mode for now, OpenAI has already teased jaw-dropping demos that show a level of realism never seen before in any AI video. Forget glitchy basketballs teleporting into hoops, because Sora 2 can make it bounce and even the rebound with unreal accuracy without killing the laws of physics like before. But the real magic lies in cameos. It's a feature in the Sora app that lets users insert themselves directly into AI-generated scenes. After uploading a one-time video and audio sample for identity verification, users can become the lead character in any visual story they can dream of. The only downside is it's currently available only in the US and Canada. The Sora app features a TikTok-style feed where users can share their AI-generated content, browse others' creations, and get personalized recommendations based on engagement and location. Think of it like Instagram Reels meeting sci-fi movie studio. It's totally free for now, but OpenAI plans to charge during high-demand periods. The app is likely to have parental controls to let the younger users explore safely. Still, with great power comes great responsibility. As excitement builds, so do concerns about deepfakes and consent. OpenAI admits these risks and says safeguards are in place, but we're still waiting to see how it rolls. So, are you gonna become an influencer on Sora? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Imagine you're watching a TikTok of someone dancing in a gorgeous floral dress. You pause for a closer look, and suddenly a pop-up appears suggesting where to buy something just like it. Cool, right? Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub for all the tech updates. Say hi to TikTok's latest experiment in turning entertainment into instant shopping. In a quiet but bold move, TikTok is testing a new AI-powered shopping feature that could change how we shop online. Called Find Similar, this tool scans past videos to identify visible items like clothes, accessories, or home decor and recommend similar products available on TikTok Shop. It's like Shazam for fashion, but fitted directly into your scrolling screen. Here's how it works. When you pause a video, TikTok's AI gets to work. Spot a pair of trendy sneakers, that rug in the background, the oversized sunglasses. The system hunts down lookalikes and suggests them instantly. No need to leave the app. With a single tap, you're browsing products inspired by the content you were just watching. Only a limited number of users have access to the feature for now, and TikTok hasn't announced a wider rollout yet. But this quiet test signals something bigger is coming. It's gonna blur the lines between watching and buying. If the testing goes well, TikTok could become more than just a place to discover trends. It could be where you buy them too. With AI joining hands with impulsive buying, TikTok is changing the landscape of online shopping in real time, in your feed, and without skipping a beat. Are you waiting for this update? Let us know in the comments. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.